We all experience moments when life feels overwhelming, when difficult emotions seem to linger and cloud our thoughts. It's easy to forget just how resilient we truly are, especially during a tough time. But resilience isn't about never facing challenges. It's about the quiet strength we summon to move through them. Consider this quote from Maya Angelou: "I can be changed by what happens to me, but I refuse to be reduced by it." These words remind us that while we may encounter pain or hardship, we have the inner strength to rise above it, to learn from it, and to emerge stronger. And so it begins. Find a comfortable seat, allowing your body to settle into the support beneath you. Let your shoulders relax, your hands rest gently in your lap. Close your eyes or soften your gaze, focusing on a single point in front of you. We'll start by taking 3 mindful breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Again, inhale calmness and exhale into stillness. One more time. Breathe in deeply and exhale, feeling yourself fully arrive in this moment. You are capable of handling more than you give yourself credit for. Difficult emotions may sometimes feel overwhelming, but they always pass, and you always make it through them. Ground yourself in your body. Feel the connection of your feet to the floor, the solid support beneath you. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath, anchoring you in this present moment. Now bring to mind a difficult emotion you've experienced recently. There's no need to dive into the story behind it. Simply acknowledge the feeling itself. Turn your attention inward. What does your body feel like when this emotion is present? Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Without judgment, just observe. As you sit with this feeling, explore your capacity to be with it. What, if anything, feels overwhelming or unmanageable? Ask yourself, in this single moment, am I able to handle this feeling? Focus on the bodily sensations, staying present with whatever arises. If it feels too intense, remember that it's okay to take a step back and just breathe. Now shift your attention to your mind. When this emotion arises, what is your mind doing? Notice the thoughts that come up, the overall mood of your mind. Again, ask yourself, is anything here too much for me to handle right now? Reflect on the challenges you've faced in your life, from small frustrations to significant griefs. You have made it to this moment today. Recognize your natural resilience, your ability to endure and move forward. Remember, you are indeed capable. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to reconnect with our body. Feel the solidity of your feet on the ground, the gentle support of the seat beneath you, and the rhythm of your breath. Let your awareness flow through your body, noticing any areas of softness, any spaces where tension has released. Now, let's take 3 mindful breaths together. Inhale deeply, filling yourself with a sense of empowerment. Exhale, letting go of any lingering doubts. Again, inhale resilience, and exhale, grounding yourself in this truth. One last time, breathe in your inner strength, and exhale, feeling calm and confident. Remember, you can handle this. You are capable of handling more than you give yourself credit for.